Hi there, and welcome to the Prostate Adventure. And pumpkins or seeds are very good for you for the prostate. And I just wanted to share something about cooking. I've noticed that I'm enjoying cooking now. This is a tomato soup I'm making. Basically, what I put in there was onions, garlic, a little bit of salt, and the tomatoes, and then I boiled them until you get this mixture here. Okay, I've noticed if you look at my other video about the pumpkin, the Armenian pumpkin, this is an Armenian soup because my grandfather was from Tarsus, Armenia at one time. Tarsus was part of Armenia. And then you put it in there as I made this other thing. This is basically, I put some kale in here. That's not part of the Armenian soup, but I put kale, and what is part of the Armenian soup is cashews and some water. But I put some kale and some almonds and mostly cashews in there. And I'm going to put this in here, and then I'm going to mix it up in the blender. And then I'm going to put it back in here and heat it up, and it's going to be ready to eat. So I just wanted to share with you about one of the benefits of going to the Prostate Adventure is you learn how to cook your own food, healthy food. Don't go to those restaurants and eat, especially if they have MSG. MSG will just flare up. That's what Mike was telling me. It'll flare up the prostate, and you're going to have a hard time. So try not to eat at restaurants anymore. Don't eat any processed food, and get into cooking. It's good. It's a good thing to learn. It's like anything else, you know. It's like building a car. It's just building your dinner. Okay, well, we love you, and God bless you. And just remember, we at Godward's Jesus, we do what Jesus tells us to do, and we'll be okay. And amen. And we'll just keep working through this, and we're gonna have the healthiest prostate ever. Amen.